Innago Property Management Software. Property management can feel like a full-time juggling act between rent collection, screening new tenants, handling maintenance requests, and keeping your books balanced. It's easy to get overwhelmed. That's where property management software comes in. And one of the fastest growing tools in this space is Inago. Innago has gained a strong reputation because it managed to deliver professional grade features while staying budget friendly. In fact, it's free for landlords to use. Instead of charging property owners, Inago makes money from small processing fees paid by tenants. This makes it one of the most cost-effective solutions available for landlords and property managers in 2025. In this video, we'll walk you through the key features and explain the real benefits behind them, and then wrap up with why Inago stands out compared to other property management software options. So for its key features and benefits, first is the online rent collection. Rent collection has always been one of the biggest pain points for landlords. Chasing down late checks or waiting for deposits to clear can be frustrating. Inago solves this by letting tenants pay online through bank transfer, debit, or credit card. You can set up automatic reminders and late fees, and tenants even have the option to enroll in autopay, which ensures payments are on time every month. This means you no longer need to spend time depositing checks or worrying about late payments. It also gives tenants flexibility, which leads to fewer payment issues and smoother cash flow for you. Another key feature is the tenant screening tools. Finding reliable tenants is the foundation of a successful rental business. With Inago, the screening process is built right into the platform. You can send digital applications, and once applicants consent, Inago pulls data from trusted providers to generate credit reports, criminal background checks, and eviction history. The reports are delivered quickly, often within minutes, so you can make decisions faster. Having all this data in one place reduces your risk of renting to unreliable tenants and saves you money in the long run. It's much cheaper to prevent problems than to deal with costly evictions or property damage later. Another key feature is the digital lease management and e-signatures. Paper leases and in-person signings can slow things down. Inago lets you create custom leases directly within the system. You can upload your own terms, add clauses, and send them electronically for e-signature. Both landlords and tenants can sign securely online, and all documents are stored in the cloud. This speeds up the leasing process significantly. Instead of waiting for schedules to align, you can send out a lease and get it signed the same day. It also provides a secure and organized way to keep track of agreements. No lost paperwork or filing cabinets needed. Another key feature is the maintenance management. Another common challenge for landlords is handling repair requests. Tenants often have to call, text, or email, which can lead to lost messages or delays. Inago makes this easier by giving tenants a dedicated portal where they can submit maintenance requests online. They can describe the issue, attach photos, and track the progress of the request. On your side, you can assign the task to a contractor, update the status, and keep communications clear. This system keeps everything documented, reduces confusion, and improves tenant satisfaction. Tenants appreciate being able to track progress, and landlords save time by keeping everything in one place. Another key feature is the accounting and financial reporting. Finally, Inago includes accounting tools that let you track rent, expenses, and generate financial reports. You can categorize expenses, run income statements, and export data when tax season comes around. Not only does this give you a clear picture of your cash flow and profitability, but it also helps you stay organized and prepared for tax filings. It turns what used to be a messy, manual process into something automated and reliable. So, why is Inago a great choice? A big reason is cost. Unlike competitors like Buildium or Appfolio that charge per unit or per month, Inago is free for landlords. That makes it especially appealing for small to mid-sized property managers who want professional tools without the heavy price tag. Another reason is ease of use. The platform is designed with simplicity in mind. You don't need to be tech savvy to navigate the dashboard, set up tenants, or start collecting rent. Even if you've never used property management software before, Inago makes the onboarding process straightforward. It's also scalable. You might start with just a few units, but as you grow your portfolio, worry about upgrading or switching platforms as your business expands. So basically, if you're looking for a property management solution in 2025 that balances simplicity, affordability, and reliability, Inago is definitely worth considering. Whether you manage a single unit or a growing portfolio, it provides the tools you need to succeed while keeping the experience smooth for both you and your tenants. So if you're ready to streamline your property management process, improve tenant satisfaction, and save time, Inigo could be the best choice for you this year. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.